Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to embed SurveyMonkey form in MailerLite. I'll just go ahead and open up this form, and while that is happening, we'll come over here to MailerLite, open up your campaign that you want to go ahead and embed SurveyMonkey to. Go ahead and click on edit, and let's wait for this to load up. And then all you need to do is go ahead and edit content. So click here on edit content. And now let's go back to SurveyMonkey while this loads up. Now here on SurveyMonkey, click on collect responses. Okay. And now you need to use a web link. If you don't have one yet, you can come here, click on add new collector, and then go ahead and click on web link collector. Okay. And it would generate a web link for you that you can go ahead and use. And if you already have one created, you can just copy the URL. So we'll just copy this. We'll come back here to MailerLite and hover over here to elements. And then we can drag and drop a button. Okay. So all you need to do is drag and drop the button right there. And then go ahead and click on link to edit it. I'll just delete this one because we have a button right here. So I'll hover over this and click on link. And then click on insert link. Okay, just enter the URL for the SurveyMonkey link and then click on open in a new tab. Okay, we can go ahead and edit this button as well and change what it actually says. So let's say we'll change this to click for survey. So I'll click here on the button and we can just edit this. So I'll type click or survey. Okay. And you can change the button style here as well, the background, everything. Just make sure you save this and you can preview and test it out. So I'll come here, click on preview mode. And the reason we're doing a button instead of embedding that form directly, because sometimes it can cause display issues in various email clients. Okay, and some email clients may actually restrict the functionality of embedded forms. So it's best that we use it this way using a button. And when someone clicks on that button, they are redirected to a new page. Okay. And as you can see, this is what our email looks like. And when we click on this button, it opens up the survey on a new tab. And it's really that easy to embed SurveyMonkey form in MailerLite.